let's talk about the Phoenix housing market update and what buyers and sellers need to know this fall. Are you curious about what's happening in the Phoenix housing market this fall? Whether you're buying, selling, or just keeping an eye on things, I'm breaking down the latest trends, insights, and opportunities. Let's dive into what's shaping up to be an interesting season here in the Valley of the Sun. Each month, we analyze Phoenix's numbers to see how home prices are moving, whether conditions are as predicted, and if there are any surprises that buyers and sellers should watch for. Over the last month, there's been a shift worth noting. First up, let's look at pricing. Currently, the average sales price per square foot for Phoenix real estate is around $285 a square foot. That's a 3% decrease since September, which sat closer to $293. We did expect a bit of a seasonal decline, but this was steeper than anticipated. We predicted closer to 0.6%. The 3% drop is pretty significant, especially when you consider that normally we see a slight bump between September and October. Now, what makes this drop particularly interesting is that it even fell below the 90% confidence interval, meaning we're experiencing quite a bit of volatility. And Phoenix, as some of you know, has had an unpredictable few months. So what does this all mean for you? Well, part of this volatility stems from the lower volume of closings. With fewer homes being sold, the numbers we get are more sensitive to change. This can create a bit of a roller coaster effect on prices per square foot, jumping up or down month by month. Meanwhile, median prices have stayed more stable. For buyers and sellers working within the mid-range price points, the median provides a more reliable indicator of what to expect. If you're focused on luxury, the median won't fluctuate as much, but the average price per square foot might have some surprises. Next, let's touch base on the Cromford Market Index. This month, it's below 95, which suggests a balanced market is forming. So buyers are more cautious with offers and sellers are adjusting their pricing strategies to match. We're seeing more price reductions. Sellers who price competitively tend to see faster sales. But homes listed at top prices are sitting on the market a bit longer. For those wondering what's ahead, the average price per square foot for pending sales as of October 15th was sitting at $328 a square foot, a slight 0.6% increase from mid-September. This could indicate some stabilization for November with a projected price per square foot of $286 per square foot. But here's the kicker. Due to all the recent volatility, that forecast has a range between $280 and $292 per square foot. So while we might see prices firm up a little bit, there's no guarantee. This forecast could still end up high. Okay, so what does this all mean if you're looking to buy this fall? Here are some takeaways. 1, look for price adjustments. It's a great time to find homes with potential price cuts. Sellers are more open to negotiations, especially if they're hoping to close before the year's end. 2, find flexible sellers. You might find sellers open to more than just a price reduction. They may help with closing costs, repairs, or even flexible dates. 3, interest rates. Rates are a factor. They've risen, but they're also fluctuating. Stay close to your lender and consider locking a favorable rate if you find one. Even with a slightly higher rate, if it means securing a home you love at a fair price, it's a good long-term investment. 4, work with an experienced realtor, especially now. It's crucial to work with an agent who knows Phoenix's specific neighborhoods and can help you negotiate effectively. 5, look at neighborhood trends. Different parts of Phoenix are showing different patterns. Areas like Arcadia, North Scottsdale, and some East Valley neighborhoods might still see higher demand, while others may be more balanced. Knowing these local trends can help you make a smart choice. So what does this mean for sellers? For sellers, here's what you need to know to make the most of this market. 1, price realistically. Prices may have leveled out, so setting a competitive price is essential to attract serious buyers. Reviewing recent comps with your agent will help you make the right call. Number 2, first impressions count. With more homes on the market, you want yours to stand out. Curb appeal, staging, and small improvements can make a big difference. 3, prepare for negotiations. Buyers may ask for help with closing costs or repairs. Meeting buyers halfway can lead to a quicker sale at a price that meets your goals. Number 4, expect longer days on market. Homes are taking longer to sell, so patience is key. And 5, play up seasonal appeal. Fall buyers tend to be serious, often look to buy before the end of the year. This is a great opportunity to showcase your home as a warm, welcoming space for the holidays. So what are the key trends impacting both buyers and sellers? All right, let's wrap this up with some broader trends. Migration to Phoenix. People continue to move to Phoenix from higher cost areas like California, so demand is steady even as prices adjust. Renters are transitioning to buyers. With rising rents, more renters are considering home ownership, keeping demand strong. New construction. We're seeing a boom in new builds across the East and West Valleys, offering more options for buyers. Remote work influence. Many buyers prioritize lifestyle amenities over a short commute, so areas with more space and outdoor activities are drawing interest. And that's your Phoenix housing market update for fall 2024. Whether you're buying or selling, these insights can help you make the most of your opportunities. If you have questions or are ready to make a move, reach out. I'd love to help guide you. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on Phoenix real estate, moving, tips, and all things related to living in the Valley of the Sun. Thanks for tuning in, and see you next time.